Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Adin. In today's video we are going to talk about how you can make money from freelancer.com. In previous video when I talked about how to make money online, at the end of the video I talked about freelancer.com, and freelancer is one of the best websites that you can use to make money online. And in today's video we are going to talk about skills and how you can make money, and we are going to focus more on highest prizes, because the more you have, the more you compete on contests that have highest prizes and uh, lowest entries, the more you have the opportunity to be selected as a winner. So from my own experience, I used to work on fewest entries uh, projects and contests. And if we talk about skills here, of course if you want to work on freelancer.com you should have some skills, at least one or two skills. In my case I have my skills belong to the IT field, especially programming language, because I work as a web developer and I'm also a designer. So in your case you can be a translator, translate from a language to another, for example English to Arabic or Arabic to English. And there are so many projects and contests that they need people to translate from French to English, English to French. So if you don't have skills, you can go to YouTube and learn some skills and then come back again and start working. And knowing that you can also if you don't have skills at all, there are many contests that doesn't need skills. You can also work on it. I can show you one of the highest prizes contests. Last time, as far as I remember, freelancer.com was running a contest, $5,000, as far as I remember, $5,000 contest, where they just ask freelancers to go outside and um, show the world freelancer.com is logo, I think. Or you should, I will try to find the contest because it is less than a month ago. And I think if we go to freelancer his YouTube channel, we will find it easily. Freelancer.com. Also I have it here. Yeah. Mm. They have 20 million projects launched. Freelancer. Yeah, I think this is online. This is the contest, I think. Freelancer.
1,500 people, 130 tons of garbage, 35 countries. Who'll bring home $12,500 from the freelancer cleanup
Challenge. Okay, this is not the contest. Yeah, This is the contest where
Are
you
you ready? You
show
ready to win $25,000? Well,
you
listen up.
show okay you show you go out in your city and show big number of people freelancer is logo.
Like a bootstrap, I had a little bit of help. Like a
So this kind of contests you just need to go outside and show the world the freelancer.com is logo. It is very easy. You can put it on an advertisement. You can make it the way you want. So we go back to freelancer.com. As I said before, there are so many projects. WordPress, uh, Retype. I don't recommend people to go for this kind of uh, project. There are people who cheat here because I've tried many of them. Anyway, you can always filter the results. And another more thing is contests. When you go for contests, you can search for contests that uh, you might interest in. For now, there is no Arabic contest. So I think that's enough for this video. If there is anything new that I can help you with to make money, uh, let me know. If you want me to talk more about anything that you find it difficult on freelancer.com, and I will help you. So please, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.